got us a very small snake. I don't, so you can see how big he is. He's well fed, I'd say. Just right here. Right there. We're riding home. And only in the Philippines are you gonna get a snake like that. Now she is having a heart attack. Huh?
Is he eating?
Oh yeah, he belongs to him.
Yeah, eating? Eating something? Is he eating something? Why too big?
He's a boa constrictor.
Yeah, there's something inside his tummy.
Yeah. A dog. A big dog. Let's go. So we're on our way home. I just never seen a boa constrictor walking the streets before in my life. Hey, hey, watch the camera. Be careful, be careful. Don't fall on him. Uh-oh. Scared miss. Check him out. He's having a good time. Look at that face. Don't step on him. Touch the head, Doc. Touch the head. Don't be scared. Touch the head. Having one good time, isn't he? Isn't he? He's having a good time. Downtown Cebu. Full of constrictor. And check all the lumps out. He's well fed. He's been eating little boys. Go pet him. Go pet him. Yeah, no. Mine's getting, look at mine. She's scared. We're out of here. Oh, I thought I turned it off. I didn't. They're all blind.
Manunubos na nga matawoin adawa sa ulogong taang matagtuig kaigatanan adaw gigahin nga nat dinhin kalibutan managawit ahong magsayaw sa tumang kalaya iwakrita ang kabubuton sa nga nangalupa nag-awit kita o magsayaw kita imahilhan kini sa dakutang gugma ihalad kini sa manunubos na nga matawo